Hey, I get it. Managing your money isn't always easy, especially when life gets busy. But what if I told you that AI, like ChatGPT, could totally change the way you handle your finances? Let's dive into how you can put this digital assistant to work for your money goals. First up, budgeting. Imagine you type, ChatGPT, help me create a monthly budget based on a $3,000 salary and $1,200 rent. In seconds, you get a breakdown: rent, groceries, fun money, and even savings. It's like having your own financial planner, but way faster. Next, tracking expenses. If you struggle to see where your money goes, ask ChatGPT, how can I track my spending more effectively? You'll get ideas for spreadsheets, app suggestions, or even custom templates you can start using today. Saving for something big? Set SMART goals with prompts like, help me plan to save $5,000 in 1 year. ChatGPT will map out how much you need to put aside each month and even suggest ways to cut back. Motivation, right at your fingertips. Now let's talk investing. ChatGPT won't pick stocks for you, but you can ask things like, what's the difference between ETFs and mutual funds? Or explain index funds for beginners. You'll get clear, jargon-free answers, so you can make smarter choices. But here's the deal. ChatGPT doesn't connect to your bank accounts, and it's not a licensed financial advisor. Always keep your sensitive info private, and double-check big decisions with a real expert. So, if you want a smarter way to manage your money, try giving ChatGPT a shot. Your wallet and your future self will thank you.